Today going to work on replacing a horn on this Kia. It's not working, so we got a replacement horn, and we're going to start off by removing the old one and see where we go from there. So let's turn this around. Okay, on this one, this is on the passenger side. The horn, get the camera set up here, is right here is where the horn's at. Now we take a 10mm wrench and take it off. There's a bolt on the back of it back here. Let's see if I can get this a little bit better angle. There we go. All right, you can see the bolt on the back of it. Okay, little bitty little nut on the back of that. And now, let's see, we disconnect the wires to it. There we go. It's off. Okay, I think what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to cut those wires, because the new horn has larger connectors on it, and you have two wires here, you get two wires here, so I need to take these two wires, hook it to here, and I'm thinking this might be too small of a hole for the new bolt. Okay, one of the problems we're running into is that's the size of hole. The new horn they give her is that size, and the bolts won't fit up inside of there. So have a couple options. I can put a smaller bolt in there and put a bunch of big washers, smaller washers, the bigger washers in there. Or I think, I don't know how you can see it on the camera, but there is another bolt back there. I think I can take that whole bracket off and then work on it. So that's what I'm going to work on. Put the camera back down here. We'll work on taking that one off. Let's see if it's a 12mm. Yep, 12mm. Okay, have the bracket off.
You okay?
Yeah.
You getting it? I'm gonna go over and get
Well, they're kind of weird. It's got 3 different. Yeah, so one bracket, it's got 3 brackets in there.
Oh, shit.
All right, we got our black wire and our green wire. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to cut this connector off. All right, connector's off. All right, there we go. Now we can strip the end of these. To match them back up. Let's see if we can put this back in here. And we're going to do the green is going to be on the red connector. Find my grippers.